Merry Christmas, everyone! Time flew so fast and it became Christmas Eve already. How was your year, 2020? The COVID-19 was very hard for everyone, but in my recall, it was a happy year because I was so inspired by your youth and energy. Thank you so much. So, final exam is over now. And I was thinking the new year's coming and this year is almost the end and Christmas is tomorrow. So I thought about what to do. Let me ask you, have you ever written down Christmas cards? I'm sure you did, but when was it? It was such a long time ago, right? So let's make Christmas cards together today and recalling about old memories. Plus, don't forget to check your attendance on the band. You may find it a bit difficult to think of any phrases on your Christmas cards, so that's why I brought some examples. Let me read 5 sample messages, and remember that you don't have to choose from these. Number 1, we hope you're having a simply wonderful Christmas time. Best wishes to you and yours. Number 2, wishing you a blessed Christmas and every happiness in the new year. Number 3, may God fill your life with love, joy, and peace this Christmas season. Number 4, it's not what's under the Christmas tree, it's who's gathered around it. Number 5, it's the most wonderful time of the year. Merry Christmas and remember to be of good cheer. It's the page that includes numerous phrases regarding Christmas and New Year. Look them through and utilize them. So this is the card I made. How you like that? Do you find it cute? Yeah, I love it. So I'm gonna tell you how to make them. First of all, through your computer or laptop, and then through your cell phone. So first, you need to begin with signing up on Media Canvas. Remember the website Media Canvas? It's gonna be really useful. First of all, sign up. If you press start and enter, then you can make a card using so many templates. As you can see, when I search for Christmas, there are so many templates come up. And also you can possibly modify the phrase you like. So I'm gonna type the phrases I like here. It's easy to insert illustration shapes or lines like stickers. We add some ornaments. If you download it with JPG and save the folder, the first image is already saved now. You need at least one more page to make it into GIF. Usually, if you adjust the reversal, a cute GIF can be made. If you press the twist, that means you can make it from side to side. Make it right to left, left to right. I just finished saving the second image file. Then, it's easy to make it with cell phone. Better than laptop or computer because in that case, you need to download some related programs.
Merry Christmas!